Okay, this is the first of many keyboard shortcut videos, but the greatest of them all. How to open containing folders from within Spotlight. So to go to Spotlight, you either click the magnifying glass here, or the shortcut is Command Spacebar. Once you're in Spotlight, you can search for any file, and I have several different folders, but I also have several different music files, and each one of these are probably in a different folder. But if I were to hit enter here, it would just open up either this looks like an MP3 in iTunes. So what I want to do is hit Command Return, and that'll open up a new folder, show me exactly where that file is. Pretty easy. Now the cool thing is, I don't know where these videos are, and I want to see where they are without opening a new Finder window. Just hold Command and then Data, ScreenFlow Projects, bounces, Spotlight shortcut. So we can easily go here, Data, ScreenFlow Projects, bounces, and there's my file. However, you can see here with my first search, if I have 2, 3, 4, I have 8 audio files in different places. You can see it cuts off. So I still don't really know where that is, but I can go to show all in Finder, and I have my music files here. I click on one, see audio, video, Troy Z album preference, flag. So that's the full path of where that is.